This is the UNBREAKcable. Hi there folks, Gareth here, and this is the UNBREAKcable. It's not a misspelling in my title of the video, it's actually UNBREAKcable. This is a strengthened cable that features superior construction and is designed, well, not to break. This is particularly appropriate because I'm sure there's many a person out there who has an iPad cable or an iPhone cable that's eventually gone after a number of insertions as things heat up and solder melts. And whilst I thought that they were sending me an iPad cable, they've actually sent me a USB Type C cable, which is actually a construction that I've never really had a problem with. So there's 3 amp quick charging through this cable, fast stable data syncing, bulletproof fibre and enhanced lifespan, nylon braided and double shielded. Okay, so caring an awful lot about the materials being used and the quality being put out. This is actually under Amazon Choice. This comes under, if you have a look at the links down below, there's your cable there, and I'm hoping that this is going to be the toughest, most durable cable that we have. I had one once before that was of a similar idea, which lasted almost 6 months before it died. But it was an Apple one, or it was for Apple. Right, okay, so at this end we have the UNBREAKcable logo, which is a very sort of standard USB Type C connector here. That's apparently bulletproof, and it's quite rigid and tough. Trying to bend the end of it, because I've got millions of USB Type C cables, so I'm here to actually try and destroy this. So that's not bending terribly easily. It's well pushed in there into the plastic and well formed around. I don't think I'll go and drive my car over it. And then this part here, we've got a toughened braided cable that pushes into this part, and that does appear to be quite strong. There is some movement. Oh. Okay, so there is a piece of rubber that goes up. It's like an insert, and then this plastic goes over the top of it like a hood. You can see there I've managed to prise it away. I've managed to prise it away just a little through pushing and pulling, but then I was applying extreme force. I'm not shooting bullets at it, but yeah, okay. So we got a braided cable down here that's good and thick. It's 1 meter long, and it comes to this end where we have a rather nice, I miss these on cables, a cable tie with Velcro on them. I wish all cable manufacturers would stick these on. I tend to go for cables if they've got this. And then that leads us down to the USB 3.1 connector. That appears to be somewhat similar. And if we put extreme really pull at it there, you can see that it's a wee bit of rubber inside the plastic. And then the USB, I've managed to bend it just a little. Just a little. We bend it back again. Yes. Okay, so it is fairly strong. I'll give it that. It'll take day-to-day knocking. It's actually bothering me now looking at it because I have bent it. Yeah. So it's still bent, and I guess that's a good thing that I can't bend it back again. And I can't bend it the other way, but I'm going to leave it there because, well, it's quite strong. It is pretty strong. I wouldn't say it's unbreakable, but then it's not saying that it is. It's UNBREAKcable. So there's links down below if you want to find out where to get one of these. They're about £9.50 I think off Amazon, delivered with Prime, which is quite a bit to pay for a USB cable. However, I'm sure not too many people are going to need a USB Type C because they seem to be fairly robust. I would be more interested in looking at the lightning cables to see just how robust they are and how many insertions they would take, because to be honest, even the Apple ones, the official Apple ones, really only last about 3 months before they start having charge errors and problems. So let me know if you've got any questions, and give us a wee thumbs up if you fancy, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.